Welcome to Ottawa, the stunning capital of Canada. This city blends grand historic buildings with peaceful rivers and lush parks. Ottawa's charm lies in its balance, important yet welcoming, elegant yet friendly. Each season transforms the city: spring's blossoms, summer's lively parks, autumn's fiery leaves, and winter's snowy magic. From above, Ottawa looks like a living painting. Green trees, blue water, and iconic stone landmarks. We'll soar over its most famous sights, from government buildings to vibrant markets and tranquil parks. Ottawa is a city proud of its heritage, yet full of modern life and warmth. Get ready to discover why this capital captures the spirit of Canada. Let's begin our cinematic journey through the heart and soul of Ottawa. Our first stop is Parliament Hill, the heart of Canadian government. Its castle-like buildings and the Peace Tower overlook the Ottawa River, symbolizing Canada's history and power. Next, the Fairmont Chateau Laurier, an iconic hotel with old-world elegance, right beside Parliament. For over a century, it's welcomed royalty and celebrities, adding romance to Ottawa's skyline. We glide to Byward Market, a lively hub where farmers, artists, and food vendors create a vibrant atmosphere. It's the perfect spot to taste Canadian treats and experience the city's social heart. Across the river, the Canadian Museum of History offers breathtaking views of Parliament and Ottawa's skyline. Its flowing architecture mirrors Canada's landscape, while inside, stories of the nation come alive. The museum's totem poles and exhibits celebrate Canada's diverse heritage. These landmarks reveal Ottawa's blend of power, elegance, and community. Now, let's soar over the Ottawa River, the city's lifeblood and natural border. Once a vital trade route, today it's a scenic spot for boating, kayaking, and riverside picnics. The Rideau Falls, where the Rideau River meets the Ottawa, create a dramatic curtain of water in the city's heart. Following the Rideau Canal, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, we see it transform from a summer boating haven to the world's largest skating rink in winter. The canal's frozen stretch draws skaters from around the world, with cozy huts serving hot chocolate along the way. Next, Commissioners Park bursts into color each spring during the Canadian Tulip Festival. Over 1 million tulips bloom here, a living symbol of friendship between Canada and the Netherlands. The park's vibrant flower beds create a breathtaking springtime spectacle. Ottawa's waterways and parks offer a perfect blend of urban life and natural beauty. These green spaces are the city's pride and joy. Ottawa's cultural heart beats in places like Byward Market, where sights, sounds, and flavors come alive. The city's museums, like the National Gallery and Canadian War Museum, offer windows into Canada's art, history, and spirit. These institutions inspire visitors and locals alike, deepening our understanding of the nation. As the sun sets, Ottawa's skyline glows, Parliament Hill and Chateau Laurier silhouetted against a brilliant sky. The Ottawa River reflects the city's golden light, ending the day in peaceful beauty. Ottawa is a city of history, nature, and vibrant community. From powerful landmarks to magical winters and colorful festivals, it's a place to explore and love. Discover the unique charm of Canada's capital. Ottawa welcomes you. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the video. We'd love to have you along for more adventures.